Jai Hind everyone. So again I am here with class 6 mathematics chapter number 1, knowing our number. So in today's topics we're going to study about system of numeration. System of numeration. So there are two types of system of numeration. First one is called Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. So in Indian system of numeration, this we have studied in class 5, even in class 4 also. So you have to study a chart. Okay. So chart that comes under Indian system of numeration is as we know, ones, then tens, then hundred, then thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore, then arb, then 10 arbs. So this is how we can write in Indian system of numeration: ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arabs, 10 arabs. So in a short form, O denote for ones, T, H, TH, TTH, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arb, 10 arb. So this is Indian system of numeration. Next one is international system of numeration. Next one is international system of numeration. In international system, we have ones, tens, hundred, thousand, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Then we have 100,000. Then million. Then 10 million. Afterwards, billion. Then 10 billion. So it will go. So it will be ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. After that, million, 10 million, then billion. After that, 10. So let's compare these two: Indian system of numeration, international system of numeration. So this is a we can say chart. Indian system, how we can write in Indian system, and international system, how we can write out here. You can see out here. So ones, in place of ones, it's same. Tens also, if you see, it's same. 100 place is also same. 1,000 place is also same. But 10,000 is also same. But in lakh place, what is there? 100,000. In 10 lakh place, how much is there? Million. In crore place, 10 million. So this is how we can say 1 lakh means we say 100,000. 1 lakh means how much? 100,000. And 10 lakh means how much? Million. So this is how we can compare the Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. Now I am here with few questions. Number one question, write in the expanded form. So number is given 80543, that means 80,543, and we have to write in a expanded form. We have to write in expanded form. So very easy. So answer, what you have to do, there are many ways, so I think this is the easiest way. This 8, you see, first 8, write down 8. After 8 there are 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. After 8 there are 4 digits, so we put 4 zeros out here, then put plus sign. Now 8 is done, now 0 turn, put 0, write down 0 out here. After 0 how many digits are there? 3 digits, so put 3 zeros, plus, now write down 5. After 5 2 digit is there, so put 2 zeros, plus 4, so after 4 one number is there, so 1 0, plus 3. After 3 no number is there, so 3 will remain. So look at here, first I wrote 8. After that there are 4 digits, so I put 4 zeros, then 8 part is done. Now write down 0, next one. After 0 3 digits, so 3 zeros, plus, after that I wrote 5. There are 2 digits after 5, so 2 zeros, then 4. After 4 1, that means 1 0, and plus 3. Similarly, if you go to the next question, write the numbers which corresponds to number 1, 8 into 1000, 4 into 100, and 3 into 1. So highest is here 1000 is there, so write down ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay, you see the highest, and then you write the chart. After that, what do you see? In 1000 place, what is there? 8, so put here 8. In 100 place, what is there? 4, so in 100 place put 4. In ones place, how much there? 3, so put here 3. But we see that tens place is empty, so what will see, wherever we'll see the empty place, then we put 0 out there. So answer is 8403, that is 8403. Next question, write the following in words in the Indian system of numeration. First question, we have to write this given number in Indian system, we have to write in words in the Indian system of numeration. So what we'll do, first we'll arrange in place value chart. So 9 0 0 6 2 6 3, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so I wrote in a place value chart. After that, what you have to do, you have to put the commas. If you put the comma, then it will be very easy to solve. So how we can put commas in Indian system of numeration? So from back, after 3 digit you have to put 1 comma, 1 2 3, so here, and after that followed by 2 digit, so 1 2, then 1 2, you have to put the comma. First you have to put in 3 digits, then 2 2, like that in case of Indian system of numeration. So what we will do, here you see 36, here you see 26, and here we will see 9. So we can write 36, it is 100 lakh, so 36 lakh 26 thousand and 36 lakh 26,000 and 9. Next question, same way, write down the following in words in the Indian system of international system of numeration. So number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7. So this is ones, this is tens, 100, 1000. Okay. After that 10,000, 10,000, then 100,000, then million. After this, how we can put the comma? Comma you have to put. So in case of international system, you have to see first 3 digit 1, 2, 3. Put the comma. Again you have to follow the 3 digit. 3 digit, 3 digit. But in case of in case of Indian system, 3 digit, after that 2, 2. But in case of international system, 3 digit, 3 digit and 3 digit. It will go 3 digit. Now we can write 1 is alone in place of million. So I will write 1,234,000 and 980. Next question. How many 3-digit number can you form using the digit 4 zeros and 7? So there are 3 digit, it is given 4, 0 and 7. So by using this, how many numbers can be formed? So last time also we did this one, this formation of number. We'll arrange this digit and we'll form the number. Like first is 407. Okay, 407. So 407. Second one we can arrange and we can write 4 and 7. We can write down in middle 0. 470. Third one 7, 4, 0. Next one we can write 7, 0, 4. Okay, so we'll get, so 4 number can be formed by using three digit given 3 digit number. Next one, find the difference between the place values of 6 and 5 here. So you know place value means. So first difference means minus, subtract. Okay. Whose subtraction? Place value of 5 and place value of 6. Place value of 5 and place value of 6. So let us find first place value of 6. Okay. What is given? 7, 6, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1. So place value of 6. So 6 is out here. So write down first 6. And after 6, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. So put 5 zeros. Okay. Now place value of 5. Place value of 5. Where is 5? 5 is out here. So write down 5 first. After 5, 2 numbers are there. So put 2 zeros. Now what we have to find? Difference. What we have to find? Difference. Find the difference. That means you have to subtract these two. That is 6 lakh minus 500. So 5 lakh 99,900. Sorry. 5,99,500 years. So this is how we can find the differences between the place value of 6 and 5 in a given number.